I took my electric scooter for a ride and I wanted to figure out how I was going to shoot video while I'm driving, and this is how I did it. I'm using this to hold it up because it's off weight, but I got this clamp, and you take the clamp and you clamp it to the pole. GoPro mount goes there, goes up. Then I got one of these flexible things. You can mount your GoPro to it, or your smartphone. Pretty cool, right? And then if I'm going to mount it, actually might flip it the other way, but I'd want to put the camera at the center of the bike, so I guess I'd put it that way. Oops. The LG V20 is a little oversized. And there you go, nice and tight. Haven't seen that anywhere, only on my channel.